Hello all, welcome to Growing It. Today in this video, we are going to unbox Cocopeat. We bought it from Amazon. This Cocopeat brick is of net weight 5 kg. It cost us around 350 rupees. Before moving on, let me tell you what is Cocopeat. Cocopeat is a multi-purpose 100% natural growing medium made out of coconut husk. It is nothing but the fiber on the coconut shell, also called as gunju tenginanaru in Kannada. It can hold 8 to 9 times its own weight of water and is better than traditional peat. Because of its high water holding capacity, it plays a major role in indoor gardening, terrace gardening, growing hydroponics, etc. How it is processed? The fibrous coconut husk is pre-washed, machine dried, sieved, and made free from sand and other contaminations. The husks are dried in natural sun and are processed to produce cocopeat block and brick. Now let us unbox the cocopeat. Here we have taken a large tub around 2.5 feet. We have kept the cocopeat block in the tub and consistently added 15 liters of water. As the block absorbs water, it becomes easily breakable. It takes powdered form as broken down. As you can see, small block has now completely occupied the entire tub. In loose soil, roots spread freely and can pull water and nutrients from a large area. Mixing cocopeat with any type of soil avoids soil hardening, makes the root grow healthy. We have used cocopeat for almost all of our plants in combination with soil and compost. Look out for the space for another video on mixing cocopeat and soil. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to Growing It.